Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to find the HDMI CEC settings on your LG TV. So this will allow you to control devices with your TV remote. So if this is turned off, we want to go to all settings right here. And I just have my PS5 and I want to go down to general. Go to the right and go to external devices. Click this. Now go to HDMI settings right here. And then here is the setting for Simplink HDMI CEC. Allows you to use the remote control to turn on or off control Simplink devices connected to the HDMI port on your TV. So go ahead and turn this on or off, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.